wherever you are. How are you, my family? Wherever you are, how are you, John Wilson? Thank you for coming. Oh, you never know. I have YouTube channel. I have YouTube channel, my dear. I have YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. I have a YouTube channel, my dear. I want to cook. I am hungry. I am very hungry. So I have to cook. And I wash this later. I have to cook first. I have to cook first. And I wash this later. Thank you so much for coming. Let's cook together. Let's cook together. We're doing this together, my family. We'll wash the plates later. We'll wash the plates later. What we want to do now is cook, because I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. You can see me, okay? I am hungry. I'll take your knee, don't worry. You'll be near me anytime soon. Hold your knee. What we are doing is cleaning the stove so that we can cook. I start my tablets today, so I'm hungry. I need to eat. I need to eat, so let me take your knee. Let me take your knee so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay? So that you can see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm going to take your knee. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my family. This is what we are going to do. And this is what we are going to do. This is what we are going to do. Remember, we did our budget. Remember, we did our budget that day. Okay? budget that day. So I'm going to show you our budget. This is the budget that we did. This is what we are cooking. This is what we are cooking. This is our budget. This is our tomato and onion. This is our beef. The beef that we did that day. We told you it's our budget for the month. So, our budget for the month. So that is what we are going to cook today. This is what we are going to cook today. Our budget of the month. Okay, we'll put it there. Pot. We put the stove on. And we are going to put a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. So that, and some salt. And some salt. This is our budget. It's 5 pieces. They are enough for 1 piece. I can share it with you. I can share it with you. Thank you so much, family. 3 people in the house. Thank you. 3 people in the house. Thank you so much. We buy our mango. Okay. We buy our mango. Our ginger. This is the ginger. This is the ginger. And we put it in turmeric. Turmeric. And turmeric and lemon. And lemon. Mango. This is what we are going to eat today. I'm hungry, so that we need to eat. We need to eat. We need to eat. So that is it, my family. Wherever you are, we need to do this. We need to cook. Here I have so many dishes. At this side, so many dishes at this side. So I have so many dishes. I'm trying to eat a little bit. Thank you, family, for coming. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give the video a like. Share the video. I'm coming. I'm here. Thank you. I'm spoiling it for everyone. Open it. I'm coming. Don't worry. We need to cook. We are hungry because we are taking the tablets. We need to eat. We need to eat more, family. I'm here. I'm here. Thank you, family. Thank you so much for being here. This is our onions that we are using today. This is our onion that we are using today. And the tomato, we are not using much tomato. I'm not using much tomato. Thank you so much, family, for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are cooking. We told you we did the budget, so this is the budget. This is the budget, my family. We are doing the budget for the month. This is the budget for the month. Need to put some oil. Not much. Need to pour more water here. Our budget for the month. Hi, Auntie. Me time. Hello. Thank you for coming. Me time. Thank you for coming. Me time. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much for coming. We are cooking our dinner. We are cooking our dinner. Thank you so much, Tiny. Thank you so much. Hello, Manisha. Manisha. No, South Africa. Manisha, no. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much for coming. I'm cooking dinner. Sandra, I know you know Papa. I'm cooking Papa. I'm cooking Papa. And our budget for the month. This is our budget for the month.